Hey guys, it's Shah here at the Tech Pork, and today's video we're going to be doing a challenge video for Python. And so this one, it's define a function that can receive two integral numbers in string form and compute their sum and then print it in console. So we're using our previous challenge video, and we're going to be using that similar code to make the program. So first of all, we have to actually get the input. So n1 represents the first number, input. So we want to take it in string form, so we just specify string then, or we can just leave it as it is, because it will automatically put into string form, so it's fine if you leave it like this. We can say number 1, and then if I just type this again, n2 is equal to input, okay, number 2. So now they enter the second number. So now we just have to add these two numbers, but don't forget they're in string form, so we have to convert them first. So to convert them, well, we can do it all in one line if you want. So we can do print, and then over here we want to do, you want to write your sum is, and then you want to have that, and then put comma, and then you want to put int n1 plus int n2, and this will add them together. So if we save this, so if I just call it adding numbers, and if I run this now, as you can see over here, if I just bring this closer, okay, so as you can see, if we enter number 1, 5, 2, so as you can see, it says your sum is 7. So the program's working, brilliant. Well, it's straightforward, isn't it? But there's also another way to do it, so I'll show you how to do that way as well. So if I just have this just to show part 2, so a different different version of the program. This time we can use a define function like last time. So define addition, then in the brackets you want to put n1 n2 because you want that to be processed within your define function, and then you want to do print int n1 plus int n2. So we're ideally doing the same thing, except for the define function is just, I guess it just looks nice, I guess. Yeah. So actually add them together, you have to call addition, and then we just enter n1 and n2. So it's ideally the same thing, you just one to two lines more extra, but it's a way of breaking up your program into bits so you can understand it better. But I do like this way more because you can just do it in one line, just more straightforward as well. So if I run this now, just to show you guys. So this is the first bit of the program, your sum is 10. Okay, so it just copied what we've written, but it doesn't say your sum is. We can do that if you want. So we can do print over here, you just want to put in your sum is something, blah, blah, blah. And then if we run this now, 5, 5, your sum is 10, your sum is 10, to show you that it's showing your sum is 10 from this one as well as this one. So as you can see, both variants of the program are working successfully. We've completed the code, and it prints it to the console, it converts the string to integers, and that's really it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as you can see, I've made the window larger for you so you can actually see this if you're using a mobile phone or something. Makes it more reliable for you and better for you to view. So that's really it. Thank you for watching again, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.